favorite class is religion with Professor Cambry.
Intro to Arabic with Professor Lawler.
I think my favorite class outing so far has been, we went to the Benjamin Franklin house, which was really cool.
Dover Castle. I mean, it was like the first field trip we had as a whole house.
On my weekends, I like to go shopping. There's like so many stores here in London. Going to a fun cafe or a library or a museum, really just exploring London.
My favorite place to hang out with people in the house. I would say probably the kitchen.
My favorite place to eat out here has to be Chilongo.
Chaiwala.
My favorite place to study is in the student lounge.
The lounge.
I would describe 56 Princess Gate as very homey.
Like a launch pad. It's stable and you feel grounded here, but it still sets itself up as like a jumping off point into things that are more unfamiliar.
Wise, posh grandmother, if that makes sense.
A really comforting environment.
Cozy.
I would describe 56 Princess Gate as home.